Unreal Engine 6 will not make game development any easier. It will make different people win. Now, what do I mean by that? It means if you are struggling in Unreal Engine 5 right now, Unreal Engine 6 won't save you. It will expose exactly what you don't understand right now. Like, here's the realistic part nobody likes to say. Every time Epic bumps the engine number, the tool set get more powerful. Not simpler, but more powerful. Like when we saw a shift from Unreal Engine 4 to Unreal Engine 5, that didn't reduce complexity. Have it now. It shifted it. Like for example, Nanite. Nanite killed LODs, right? But it introduced new performance rules. Same goes with Lumen. Lumen removed bake lighting or light baking, but it demanded better scene discipline. After that, the same happened with World Partition. As it removed level streaming work, it forced you to think at scale. And trust me when I say this, Unreal Engine 6 will do the same. Yes. Now if you like video on game development and tutorials on game development, subscribe to the channel and let's move forward. Yes, some things will feel easier like better multi-threading, smoother asset pipelines, fewer editor hiccups, more things quote unquote just working. But here's the trade-off. The floor might rise slightly, but the ceiling goes way higher. As Unreal Engine 6 won't reward the button clickers, but it will reward people who understand systems. Like blueprint aren't going away, but they won't protect you from bad architecture. If Epic introduce a new scripting language, and they will introduce new scripting language called Words, it won't replace thinking. It will punish sloppy logic even faster. And solo devs and small teams will benefit from it, as if they already work clean. If your project is a mess in Unreal Engine 5, Unreal Engine 6 will just help you ship a cleaner mess faster. And no, you won't need to switch on day one, as Epic never builds engines for day one adoption. They build them for Fortnite first, creators second, and production team last setup. And that's actually a very good news for you, as it means when Unreal Engine 6 arrives, the workflow will already be better tested. But it also means the learning curve will not be any flatter, just better documented. So, will Unreal Engine 6 make game development any easier or harder? The short answer is easier to start but harder to fade. If you are already building with intent, discipline, and restraint, Unreal Engine 6 will feel like a relief. But if you are waiting for engine to fix your fundamentals, it won't. And the engine doesn't decide who wins, your habits do.